I'm clumsy. I don't like it.
I like those.
Yeah. So we've seen Grand Bend change. I put my dog down. Do you want a little bag? So my life's changing after I put this dog down. Yeah.
Mine is like a lot going on. I need to come in with my
gems. A very Japanese. Are you from London?
I'm from Mississauga, but I live
It gets super dark. It's hard to write so much of it.
They like came into my house and were like, "We got," and they like cleared out my basement.
That's awesome.
And we're like,
How does that work?
Back-to-back ng papel.
Oh.
Ito, yung vendor ko.
all the earrings are back. Everything's
Okay, that is actually cool. I Billy Joe.
He's saying we're in the main room.
had to fly there.
So what it is, it's a bracelet call taker. So when the is back.
musicians by how well they play. I heard them by how good they look when they walk away.